Hello guys, it's me, back here once again for another YouTube video. Sorry about that guys. And today we're going to be playing Flood Escape 2 once again, episode 10. And we're not going to do Chaos Mode this time, because I'm pretty lazy. And I don't have enough gems to boost. Oh, hold on, let me. Boost, please. Alright. 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 Uh-oh. Oh, thank you. You saved my life. I'm gonna win this time. That's not that much, but okay. Alright. Oh no. Oh no. Please, 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 please. Noob, you're alive! Hey. Alright. And also, guys, I might find, old boomerang from Cartoon Network toys on eBay, I think. Oh no. No, 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 no. Oh! 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 Oh my gosh, guys, you just saw that? I made it in the last second! Oh! That almost gave me a heart attack, everyone. Thank goodness I made it. Haha. Stupid. Can't catch me, Flood. There's only 10 players? You three, go. Ah! I almost got crushed by you guys. Come on, mate. Oh no. Why am I keeping pressing the wrong button? Oh, I'm gonna take a couple steps back. Uh-oh. Gotta get in there before it closes. Why can't I jump? There we go. Alright. Okay. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay. Come on, what are you waiting for? There we go. Oh, that was so close before it came. Not touching. Not touching it. It's hot! Ah, my tongue! Alright. Whew! Okay. I was kind of, sort of pro. Okay. No, I'm gonna go get it. Okay, I believe her. There we go. Yeah. Alright, that was a bad idea. I just want to do a famous move, but but well, I'm dead. And not for real though. Alright. Oh come on, I don't want easy. I want hard. Like so hard. Come on, come on. Yes. Is that goop? Never mind. I might. Ah. Don't worry, guys. I'll save you. Bunny Rabbit, go get it. You go get it. Go get it. We're gonna die really soon. Alright, I made it, everyone. I want to do this. I want to do this map. I don't think so. I'm not gonna spend 20 coins on that, alright? Just go, guys. I'll catch up. Alright, guys. I catched up. That's where the fun begins. I know you can actually do that, but I'm pretty lazy. Fine. Thanks. Oh, bullseye. Haha. Go. Come on, I want someone to boost this up already. No. Sorry about that, guys. Come on, mate. What are you waiting for? Yeah. Oh, come on. You gotta be kidding me, mate. Finally, a normal level. And it's turned red. Water just turned red. Doesn't look good. And we can still survive it. Okay, guys, I want 2. Yeah, ha. 3 will be fine. But guys, you haven't seen my ultimate weapon. Okay, never mind. I was about to jump over that, but I think that's too late to find that now. Alright, I'll go. Okay, guys, I'll go get it. Yeah. Oh, I don't think so. Haha, we made it, everyone. We made it. 10 out of 10. Alright, what's next? That one? Not gonna fail. Not gonna fail this time. I am ready. Alright guys, just one more level, then I could be done for today, everyone. Just one more. Okay. Alright. No, I said I would not fail this time, and I lied in front of my viewers. But we'll see about that. Oh my gosh! I was the last player to make it out of alive, everyone! Let's go! Let's go! I didn't know if I can do much better than anyone. That makes me so happy. I'm a hacker, I'm telling my mom. Oh, great, now I just got myself all one. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. What I told you guys about being wet, I got wet. Yeah, I was just kidding. Ooh. I'm not sure about that. Alright. Please.